Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. I'm excited, as always, when I have a box to open. I know I say that all the time because I am. It is fun for me. It is a stress reliever, so I do enjoy doing it. But much to my surprise, after I was done filming my last anniversary sale box, all of a sudden the next day, another anniversary sale box showed up. What? I do not remember ordering them twice. I'm not sure what I did. If I would have known, I would have opened them together and we could have compared which one was better, but I didn't even realize this was coming, so it was a pleasant surprise. I loved the anniversary sale spend and save theme, so you don't have to buy 5 to get a discount. If you buy 3, you get 15%. I think it was 3 or 4. If you buy 5 or 6, I think it's 20% off, and then if you buy 7, it's 30% off. So really great themed box to try at Wantable. If you're new, I'm Laura. So happy you're here. Wyatt's hanging out with me today. He's the white puppy dog. Xena, my tan puppy dog, is in the house. It is hot outside today. She's sound asleep. And Harvey is the kitty. If you happen to see him right now, he's decided not to come out into the heat either. But I'm so happy you're here. Hope you stick around for a long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on creating new content for you. Okay, so Wantable is a styling service. If you are not familiar with it, you get 7 items. If you keep 5 or more, you get a 20% discount is their normal arrangement. But with this anniversary sale box, it is a little bit different, as I explained. They do have different types of boxes that you can get or edits. They have the style edit, which is your everyday wear, your vacation wear, your work wear. They have a active edit, which is your athleisure, your workout wear, and then they have a sleep and body, which is all things intimates, your jammies, undies, sleep leisure. $20 styling fee goes against anything you keep, and you can let your stylist know what you want. They have a stream, which I love, where you can request or decline items, get your stylist to start knowing what you like and what you don't, and you get a good chance of getting those items that you picked in your next edit. So when I open the box, this is what I see. So I have my pamphlet right on top that is going to give me my prices and notes from my stylist. I have my little personalized sticker, which I love, and then if you need to know what to do, right here on the flaps, they'll tell you what to do. All right, let's do this. I love this. Will tell me it's the anniversary sale edit. It's going to tell me if I have any items that I requested in it, and let's see. No, this one is no items I've requested, so how about that? This one also came with a free gift, which was a quilted tote bag. So bag to try anything you don't love and don't want to keep. And I'm just gonna, since the paper opened, I'm just gonna go right for it. So first item is something from Z Supply. This is the Scout Textured Slub Pant. Oh, this is nice. You see that? Yeah, you guys can kind of see that with the sun behind me so strong. Kind of has that super soft look to it. Get a little closer. These are very soft, very comfy. I like those. Then we have something from Dear John. This is the Bridget Flutter sleeve top in black. That is adorable. Check out that trim. Can you guys see that? It's vegan leather. I love that. That is adorable. Okay, that is adorable. And I'm not usually one for ruffles, but I like that. It's a little edgy. Next up, we have another Z Supply item. I do tell them which brands I like versus which I prefer not to get. I can be wrong sometimes, but I do try to stick with my favorites. So this one is by Z Supply, the Coast to Coast sweater in Bay Blue. This is the Good Vibes. Oh, I feel like my camera's a little bit better now, isn't it? So that's adorable. I like that. I'll show you this one more time. Does that show up a little bit better now? Yeah, you guys can see that. That is so cute. Okay, and then we have something else from Z Supply. This is the Bonfire jacket. This is definitely a get ready for fall type jacket. I like that. Rounded bottom, pockets in the front. This is really nice. It's got like that soft, cozy lining. Yeah, that's cute. Next, something from Dex. It's like a little waffle shirt. This is the light gray heather shirt. This is a button down, but it's a soft knit, like so comfy. You see that looks thermally. Yeah, I like that. That is cute. What do you think, Wyatt? Oh, and it has like the little like white inside where the buttons are. See that? All right. I'm dropping stuff all over the floor. That's funny. Next up, now we have some jeans. This is the Lovervet by Vervet. Lovervet, love yourself, it says. These are the barrel leg. So I know barrel leg is not one people really are loving right now, but I will tell you it is very much a relaxed, easy wear denim. So I say don't completely dismiss it. Give it a try. I think the ones that are overly horseshoeish are a little dramatic, but I'm really enjoying a little bit of a barrel. It just feels so comfy, cozy. So I'm excited to give these a try. They have a little bit of distressing right there. So I think to just think about them like a boyfriend jean. And then the last item, these are by Dear John. And what are they? Doesn't tell me which kind they are. These are the Fiona wide leg. Okay, and then the free item, which is the little bag. So zipper, it's all nice and cushy, soft. It has like the orange here at the sweat at the zipper. And it's nice and roomy in here. So you can fit quite a bit. And it also has a zipper pocket inside. And it has the Wantable logo here at the bottom. So it's a nice little ad. It's adorable. All right, so that's all my items. We're gonna get right to this try on and see what works and see if this box is better than the last. I thought the last one was good. I kept 3, so let's do this. First outfit is like totally relaxed, easy. My favorite kind of pant, the comfy pant. So this one is a wider leg, and it hits me right at the top of my foot. So I'm able to wear flats, tennis shoes, flip-flops, sandals. Be a great beach pant too. So you have any vacations, be a great travel pant. Has the elastic waist, pull-on style, no pockets in these, just easy wear. You could even sleep in these if you wanted to. So comfy. This is the kind of stuff I like to sleep in. And then this Good Vibes sweater. You've seen these sweaters before. They come out in different colors, different patterns, different sayings. Just a great weekend or Friday look, I think. Here's what it looks like out. Such a nice bright blue, so I'm kind of drawn to it. I think it's really pretty. So for these items, the Good Vibes sweater in Babe Blue, $59. This bee has been bothering me for days. I don't know if you watch my videos, you're going to see this guy. He just wants to be my friend, I guess. But anyway, Good Vibes sweater in Babe Blue by Z Supply, $59. The Scout textured sub pant in black. I'm wearing a small by Z Supply, $69. And I'm wearing an extra small in the sweater. And then if you wanted to grab your bag, you can grab your bag. Head off. Slay the day. Right? So adorable. This one is valued at $54. You have to keep at least one item in order to be able to keep the free item. But valued at $54 and free if you keep one item. So I do like that ad. That is a great piece. My stylist said, and my stylist is Jordan. She's amazing. She said she focused on celebrating you by pulling 7 versatile items that hit on all your preferences and the latest trends. Excited to snag a few pieces from your favorite brands, Z Supply and Dear John, with fall right around the corner. These styles will be perfect additions to your wardrobe. Can't wait to hear what you think. And then for this particular box, as I mentioned, if you keep 3 items, you get 15% off. So 3 or 4, 15% off. 5, you get 20% off, so 5 or 6. And then if you get to 7, you get 30% off. All right, let's do another look. Next outfit. All right, so now I have one of those Lovervet barrel leg and this really great button down by Dex. In fact, I had a friend call me while I was in the middle of doing this, and she saw I had this on. She FaceTimed me, and she was like, "Oh, I really like your outfit." So that's funny. I was like, "All right, I do like it too, actually." These jeans are a nod to the barrel leg. They're called the barrel leg, but you can see they're not crazy. They're not like the shape of a horseshoe or anything, but they are a nod to it with that little bit of extra room here, starting at about here and then going down towards the ankle. It makes them feel very relaxed, very comfy. They fit really well. And then this button down is adorable. It's very soft, very comfy. You could wear it open as a little jacket. You could wear it all tucked in. I left it out long so you could see how long it is in the back. So it'd be great over like leggings as well. And it covers that tushy, button down, like a light gray here on the inside. Buttons down the front, pockets. So adorable. This is what it looks like all out. Here's Harvey Cat. Okay, so for this, the long sleeve thermal button front top in light gray by Dex, I'm wearing an extra small, $70. The high-rise barrel jean in reasonable, size 26 by Lovervet, and they are $84. Lovervet. Okay. All right, and let's get to the next outfit. We're down to the last 3 items, starting with the Dear John pants and the Dex top. All right, so these jeans are, again, yummy, yummy good. They are soft and they are stretchy and they have a great leg to them. They're a little longer than the other pair. I like the light wash. I like the fit. They are high waist, hitting me right at my belly button. Paired it with this top from Dear John that I think is so nice. Has that vegan leather trim. It's a crew neck, not too high though. Has the extra little piece underneath here to cover up for, you know, bra straps. I'm really enjoying it. And then the very last item is this jacket from Z Supply, which as you can see is fully lined on the inside. It's in this great green neutral color, which will go with everything. I love that it's zippers and not buttons. So I really am enjoying that. Pockets. Has that rounded bottom. This would be a great travel jacket. You're not going to wrinkle it, shove it in your backpack, your suitcase, the car, wherever your form of transportation is. This would be so comfy if it gets chilly. The plane is always the worst for me. It gets so cold on the plane. I love a jacket like this to keep you warm. It is quilted. You can see the pockets. It comes up on the side. All right, I don't know what I'm going to do about this box. Again, you could grab your little bag and off you go. All right, so for these, the Bonfire jacket in palm green. Oh, I love that. Yeah, it'd be good for bonfires too. $149. I'm wearing an extra small. The Bridget Flutter sleeve top in black. I'm wearing an extra small by Dear John. $48. And then the Fiona wide leg jeans in Arctic denim. $105. So for everything, $584 minus, let's see, I think they are doing 30% off plus my styling credit. It would be $447 for all 7 items. I don't think that's too bad considering I've got 3 pair of pants, a jacket, a sweater, and 2 tops. That feels not bad. And honestly, I liked everything. There's nothing here where I'm like, I'm not going to wear these, I don't like them, they must go back. And sometimes there's usually an item. So this was a really great anniversary sale edit at a good price. I get the 30% off everything. I'll share all these items down below in case you'd like to request anything from your stylist or put a like or request on the stream for any of these pieces. You can also shop directly at shop.wantable.com if you are a Wantable subscriber, and you don't have to wait then for any of the items. This was so much fun. Share your favorites. Hit that like, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.